Jump. Jump. Good jump. Jump. Yeah. Jump. Jump. What's that? Easter. It's an Easter basket. Look.
What'd you get, buddy?
Oh my goodness, what's in this basket? Should we open it?
Okay.
Look, they open like this. Bunny crackers.
Bunny crackers.
Yay. What else is in your basket?
Show Daddy. What is that?
Is your daddy?
Open.
Open, okay.
Oh.
What is that?
Is that a toy?
We call those octopus. It's kind of like that octopus we saw over at Lauren's house. Thank you.
Is that an octopus? What else did you get?
Ready? More bunny crackers. Just take one. Yeah.
Wilson, what books did you get?
I'll do pictures. What?
Who's this?
Bunny.
Is that a bunny?
There's a bunny. And what's this?
Boogie.
It's a chicken. Baby chicken. Oh, I think we're into the egg. Oh, let's see what this is.
That's a big
You want
egg.
to try to open it?
Okay.
You want to try? Oh, it's hard to do, isn't it? Whoa. This has Play-Doh. And a little mold. Now there's a bunny like an egg.
Is that a bunny? Okay. Wilson, happy Easter.